Hello everyone, this is Sachin Singhe. Today we are going to discuss a new example of this particular encyclopedia reference. Okay, so this is the new example. Okay, so let us discuss the mechanism of this particular example. Okay, so in the presence of acetaldehyde, this reaction takes place. Okay, in the acidic medium. Okay, so this is a third example of this particular encyclopedia reference, and there is a formation of this particular compound. So how we got this particular product, that we need to discuss now. Okay, so let us discuss the mechanism of this particular example. Okay, so in the first step, what will happen? Acidic medium, they have provided the acidic, provided acidic medium. Okay, so in the acidic medium, the protonation of this particular oxygen lone pair will take place like this. Okay, and there is a formation of this particular system over here. Now in the next step, what will happen? Whatever the substrate reactant is present, this will attack these lone pair of this particular nitrogen will attack on this particular substrate. Okay, it will attack on the pi star orbital of this particular carbonyl carbon, and there is a breaking of this particular pi bond takes place like this, and there is a formation of this compound. Okay, there is a formation of this compound, and this compound carries hydrogen over here like this. So I did mistake here. Okay, so in the next step, what will happen? Now nitrogen carries positive charge. Okay, so to neutralize this particular charge, what will happen? Intramolecular proton transfer reaction will take place. Okay, intramolecular proton transfer. So this lone pair of this particular oxygen will take this proton like this. Okay, and there is a breaking of this hydrogen nitrogen bond will take place like this, and this is how the intramolecular proton transfer reaction takes place, and there is a formation of this substrate now. Okay, so again in the presence of acidic medium, what will happen? In the presence of acid, again it will take proton like this. Okay, and there is a formation of again this particular intermediate. Now what will happen? This water molecule, there is a formation of this particular intermediate. Now what will happen? These nitrogen lone pair will attack on the sigma star orbital of this particular system, and this water molecule will leave out from this reaction. Okay, and there is a formation of iminium ion system over here. Okay, like this, there is a formation of iminium ion. Okay, so in the next step, what will happen? Again in the presence of acidic medium, there is a formation of, okay, there is a formation of enol takes place. Okay, here like this. Okay, so whatever the enol which is generated over here, this becomes unstable now. Okay, so enols are unstable generally, you know it very well that. Okay, now what will happen? Again it will come back like this. This bond gets break like this. This bond will break like this, and it will come here, and this will attack on the pi star orbital of this particular system, and there is a breaking of this old bond takes place like this, and these electrons will shift on this particular nitrogen system, and this is how the cyclization takes place, and this is our final product of this particular reaction. So since it is this system is in this bond is present, okay, below the side, or we can say this is the dash in nature. Okay, so attack will takes place from the same side of this particular dash system. So whatever the hydrogen which is present over here, so this becomes in wedge system. Okay, so wedge bond, this is wedge bond, this is dash bond now. Okay, so in intramolecular reaction, stereochemistry of the product will not change at all. Okay, so this is very important concept that we need to understand. Okay, in intramolecular reaction, stereochemistry of the product will not change at all. Okay, so it will attack over here like this, and there is a breaking of this old bond takes place like this, and there is a formation of cycle, and this methyl will come above the plane. Okay, so this becomes wedge because this is dash system. Okay, this is dash system, and this becomes wedge. Okay, so this is the product that we got. Okay, so this is the final product of this particular reaction. So please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to your friend, okay, so that they also get this particular content, and they will also learn, they will also take the knowledge about the chemistry as well. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video.